Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a sneak peek of some of the projects I created for Scrap Diva Designs for the November 2024 release. You can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com starting November 1st, and there's also a discount code you could use for 10% off. The discount code is prisgemicinc. All the details are listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here we have a picture frame Memorydex card. And it comes with everything you see here, like the Let It Snow shadow word, the house with all the snow backdropping, and the tree, the frame, and the Memorydex, as well as this piece here for the flooring. And there's also another hill that I didn't add, and it goes on to the back and it's a little bit higher because I wanted to show this picturesque background landscape with the deers and the trees in the back. It's just so cute, and this little girl is just got a tree and she's bringing it back to her house, and it's just so cute. And next up we have these really cute Christmas bag toppers. It comes in a small and a large. The small one is really cute. It's I made these elf bows from last year, and they're also from Scrap Diva Designs. And you can just add it to whatever things that you want to gift. It doesn't necessarily have to be paper related. It could be like treats or, you know, stuff like that. And just make it look extra fancy, your bag topper. And I added this bell. So it sounds like, you know, a Santa Claus is like riding up in the air with the reindeers, and you can always hear the jingle bell. So I thought that was kind of cute to add this bell there. And I added this resin piece, the Santa resin piece, carrying some presents. Super cute. And here's the bigger one, also with a bigger bell, and it makes a bigger jingle bell noise. It's like very festive. Super cute. Okay, and let's move on to the next project. I'm going to show you some rosettes. There's 3 different styles. I'll show you from large to small, and here's the largest one. Isn't this so pretty? I love these different style rosettes, and the sizes are just perfect. And the back looks like this. If you put double-sided paper, you could like have this like hanging on your Christmas tree as a ornament with a ribbon. You can add a ribbon, and if your paper is double-sided, look at the back is even more, it's like beautiful as well, and maybe you could decorate that part as well. So yeah, it's pretty. And here's the medium sized one. It has stars at the end, which is so pretty. The back looks like this. And the smaller one, I've added it onto another project. I just love these smaller ones, like you could add it onto projects too. So yeah, these are the Christmas rosettes in 3 different styles and sizes. And this project here, this next project that I'm holding, this one is called the coffee mug gift pouch. And someone was asking me if it could fit a hot chocolate pouch, and yes, it could. I actually went ahead and went yesterday to get some hot chocolate, and it looks like this. It's 25 grams. So this is based on the one that I bought, and 25 grams, and this pouch measures, let's see here, 6.7 centimeters by about 12 centimeters, and it'll fit in here. It's so cute. You could even put like chocolate bars or like coffee pouches, the thin ones. You could put several in there. And I also made these into a pocket. Like I just like glued another piece in here, and you can add like, you know, more stuff in here, like maybe a gift card or a card or some kind of like message or a note in here. I have a piece of paper that I can show you here, this little cut apart. And yeah, you could put even bigger pieces in here, but I'm just showing you like different things. And I've added a paper clip here. I made this. It's like a bear that's like chocolate colored. And I added this charm at the side, and this hot cocoa. Hot cocoa is also from scrapdivadesigns from last year. It's, I believe, Christmas words number 2 or 3. I'll list it in the description box below. It's super cute. Really love this. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna show you this gingerbread bow set. It's super adorable. I love the different layers. And the icing, that's just so like a really great idea. I just love that. And yeah, the back looks like this. I tied it with some gold string. And it comes with this gingerbread. Just so detailed and festive looking. And next up, we have this Baking Spirits Bright. And I've added this charm through this heart hole, and I really love this cute rolling pin. You can use it anywhere else you could think of, so I just thought that was cool. And the Baking Spirits Bright is on a stitched background as well as another layer. It includes the other layer. So yeah. And I backed it up with foam. It's so cute, and it's like this pudding. Let's see what else I have. I have 2 more projects to show you. And so here we have this, let's see, what's this one called? Candy Cane Gift Box. It's so cute. This bow is from my stash, and this is what it looks like. I have a tutorial, and I just it's gonna come up in a few days if you're interested in learning how to make this. And I made this in the top of the box clear so you can see inside. It's really adorable. The back looks like this. And once you open it up, and ta-da, we have some treats in here. You could put some real chocolates. I just had these on like right nearby, so I thought it was like cute to add these in there. And these donuts and cakes. Yeah, it's really cute. And here's the box. It's clear. Yeah. The tutorial is going to come up soon. I also have some, I got some more dies for the November 2024 release from Erica. So I'm also having unboxing of the second part that I was like waiting for. And so finally we have this gingerbread girl bag topper. Yeah, so this was in the second shipment that she gave to me. So I received it early because I bought some of her her new Halloween paper collection, and it's her first collection, so she included it in my shipment. So I'm really happy to make some of these and show you. So these are the gingerbread girl bag toppers. They're so cute. This is the smaller size, and then here's the larger size. Aren't they adorable? Oh, it has like a dress here with the hair icing, and it includes this flower and the bow here. It's just so adorable. And you can like fluff this up to make it more dimensional. So cute. And even the dress can be fluffed up a bit. And I backed up the gingerbread with foam. And it comes with this background stitched piece. It's just so cute. And here's the other two. That's about it for my projects. Oh yes, I forgot about the bag toppers. I don't know if I showed you these elf bows from last year, the Scrap Diva designs. You can add them on to your projects. Yes. So yeah, I don't think I showed you this one. That's about it, and I'm looking forward to showing you some more of the November 2024 projects. I'm still creating more, and stay tuned for more of it. It might be on shorts. As I keep making them, I'll probably put them on shorts until like I get a whole group of them, and then I can make a more detailed video. Thank you for watching again, and you could get these at scrapdivadesigns.com, and my discount code is prisgemicinc. Thanks. Toodaloo.